Minasan, konnichiwa, mai-chan desu. So, welcome to part 2 of my FUKUBUKURO unboxing. So, I did an unboxing of the TIRTIR's Lucky Box. I also did a brief explanation of what a FUKUBUKURO is. So, if you haven't watched that video, I will link them down below. So, today we will jump straight to unboxing. For today's box, we have the Espoir Lucky Box. I just realized, di ko siya alam i-pronounce in English. Wait.
Espoir.
Espoir. Espoir. Okay, according to Google, this is read as Espoir.
Espoir.
In Japan, Espoir. Niteru ne. Medyo nakakahiya to. But today, we will do an unboxing of Espoir Lucky Box. This is also a Korean brand. Kasi recently, I just bought their Pure Radiance Glowrizer. Nagustuhan ko tong primer na to. And gusto ko din matry yung other items nila. So, I purchased this Lucky Box. So, unlike dun sa TIRTIR Lucky Box, medyo mystery box siya kasi hindi nakalagay specifically kung ano yung items na included sa loob. Ang pinaka-sure lang na included dito sa box is the Big Glow Foundation Stick. Mapipili mo rin kung ano yung shade na gusto mo. The set will also include sunscreen, eyeshadow, 2 lip product, and 4 special gifts. So, ang original price ng box na to is 6,162 yen. I also used a 20% coupon on checkouts. Ang binayaran ko lang is 5,546. Medyo mas mahal siya ng konti sa TIRTIR box. And sabi dito, the total amount of product inside with its regular price is 14,005 yen. So, essentially, 40% lang nung total price niya yung binayaran ko. Let's unbox it! So, ayan yung laman ng box. I'm so excited! Okay, dito muna tayo sa medyo malaki. This is a notebook. Lookbook Mint Check. Ayan yung nakalagay. Naka-paper bag siya, pero feeling ko ito yung eyeshadow palette. Ay, ang cute! Palette to. Mint Lookbook Palette Checkerboard Edition. You are the creator of your own good feelings. Be kind to your mind. Take it one day at a time. Check up on yourself. Stay minty fresh. Ang cute. So, meron siyang band dito para talagang sa notebook. And pag tinanggal mo siya mo. Tadan! Ang pretty ng mga color. So, meron siyang 7 shades. Halos lahat is pink base. Pero lang dito, ito mint green na medyo shimmery. Okay, let's try to swatch them. Yung mga pink shades, magagamit ko talaga. Pero, I don't know about the green shades. But let's see, baka makahanap tayo ng use sa kanya. It's not bad. Medyo hindi lang ako sure dun sa packaging. But it's okay. Next item is in a box. Expect better you, nakalagay. So, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a mirror! I needed this kasi wala na akong close-up mirror, nawawala. Ang cute. So, next item, we have here. Okay. Ito yung sunscreen nila. Fresh Water Splash Sunscreen. So, ito siya. Meron siyang SPF 50+, PA++++. A fresh hydrating sun cream that guards skin against sun damage and environmental aggressors. So, iti-try natin siya dito. Water-based siya. Parang gel type. Amoy sunscreen. Hindi rin siya greasy sa feel after mo siyang i-blend. I think I can use this. Lalo na pag summer. Oh my God, this is perfect. Moving on. Okay, this is a lip product. Oh my God, ang ganda nung packaging. Espoir Couture Lip Tint Velvet. So, lip tint siya. The lip tint provides long-lasting defining lip makeup with closely adhering real velvety texture as it softly melts upon contact with skin. Sobrang classy ng packaging nila. Alam mo yung kahit yung packaging lang yung titignan mo, mapapabili ka talaga. So, ang shade is RD201 Eiffel. Feeling ko red to. Try natin siyang swatch dito. Sobrang pigmented. Super pigmented. Try natin i-blend. Grabe, look at that. Bakit hindi ko to nakuha nung Christmas? Ang ganda ng finish. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa red lipstick. So, wala talaga akong masyadong red lipstick. Mapapa-red lipstick talaga ako. Magugulat na lang si AJ pag uwi niya naka-red lipstick ako. Okay, so, on to the next product. We have... Oh, sunscreen ulit. I think this is a freebie kasi ang trial size lang siya. Ano yung difference nila dun sa dalawa? Pareho lang sila ng texture, pero parang nakaka-tone up tong pink. Meron siyang parang shimmer. So, pag in-apply mo siya sa face mo, talagang siya-siya ninaro. Ang tawag dun, nakaka-glow. Okay, nakaka-glow siya ng skin. And also, same scent, parang may fruity smell. Moving on. Ito na yung foundation. Stick foundation siya. And I got the 22 petal. So, yung shade, kayo yung mamimili kung ano yung gusto nyo. Ganon din sa TIRTIR. Grabe, super pretty naman nito. Sabi dito, a high-density glow cover stick has a soft and moist texture that provides flawless coverage. Okay. Sobrang nakaka-curious kung paano ba siya sa skin. Buksan natin. Parang nakakahinayang gamitin naman to. So, meron siyang 13 grams of product. Kapag foundation, usually 30 ml, mga ganun, diba? Pero hindi ko alam kasi baka dahil stick siya, mas compressed yung amount niya. Try natin dito. Ayokong galawin yung may label kasi sayang. So, pag ginlay siya sa skin mo, hindi siya matigas. Super creamy niya. Ang ganda ng texture and super smooth after mo siyang i-apply. Na-excite akong i-try sila. Oh my gosh. So, moving on to the next item, we have this one. This is the Lipstick Nowhere. Lightweight, hydrating, radiant glow. So, siguro gloss to. Ultra Shine lipstick that provides hydrating and radiant glow with its lightweight feel. Lipstick daw siya. Akala ko lip gloss. Ang ganda ng packaging. Wala akong masabi sa packaging ng Espoir. Sobrang ganda. Okay. So, hindi siya yung may applicator. Talagang stick type siya. OR402 Bare Mandarin. So, I think orangey. Okay, ayan siya. Parang siyang lip balm, actually. Dalawa na lang. Oh, sunscreen ulit. So, this one is the Water Splash Cica Tone Up Sun Cream. Ano yung isa? Wala nakalagay. Water Splash lang eh. Di ko alam. Trial size din siya. Try naman natin dito. May Cica daw siya and pink base. Ito tone up niya yung skin mo. Same consistency. And super nakakaputi. Nakaka-tone up lang siya pero hindi yung super duper puti. Nung last product dito, ito yung Espoir Soft Touch Air Puff. Sabi nila, itong puff na to is super popular. Marami daw bumibili ng kahit puff lang sa Espoir kasi maganda daw talaga yung puff nila. Kaso na-blend na natin yung foundation. Oh my God, super soft sa feel. And kapag tinouch mo siya, dahil ang lambot niya, super bouncy niya sa skin. I will use you. Okay, so that's it guys. We have the Big Glow Foundation and tatlong sunscreen. Isang full size and dalawang trial size. I love sunscreen kaya magagamit ko talaga siya. And also, we have two lipsticks. This one is glossy and this one is matte. So, for no makeup and super bonggang-bonggang look. Meron tayong eyeshadow palette. And also yung freebie na mirror and then yung puff. So, for me to have 9 products for 5,500 yen is a good deal for me. And I also like the products kasi most of them, wala pa akong ganong shade or wala pa akong ganong item. So, I think pagagamit ko naman siya lahat. Overall, I'm super happy with this Lucky Box. So, tulad dun sa TIRTIR Lucky Box, I'm also gonna do a try-on video for the products inside this Lucky Box. So, stay tuned for that. And also, meron pa akong upcoming Lucky Box kaya hindi pa nagtatapos ang FUKUBUKURO season this year. Meanwhile, habang di ko pa sila ina-upload, please watch my other videos. I will link them down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Jane! Bye-bye!